Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. In the digital age, the buyer's journey has evolved. Today, we explore how editorial content in the awareness stage benefits not only consumers but also businesses. Before we dive in, leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Understanding the awareness stage. The awareness stage is where potential buyers first recognize a need or problem. Editorial content helps them understand these challenges. Empowering consumers. Editorial content educates and empowers consumers by providing valuable information, answering questions, and offering insights. Building trust. Trust is crucial in the buyer's journey. Editorial content, when well-researched and credible, builds trust with potential buyers. Attracting the right audience. Editorial content optimized for SEO attracts the right audience at the right time, ensuring your message reaches those actively seeking solutions. Driving engagement. Editorial content fosters engagement and discussions, creating a community around your brand and product. Benefits for businesses. But who benefits on the business side? Companies that invest in editorial content reap rewards too. Increased brand visibility. Editorial content increases brand visibility across various platforms, enhancing brand recognition. Lead generation. High-quality content captures leads, enabling businesses to nurture potential customers into conversions. Thought leadership. Consistent, insightful content positions businesses as thought leaders in their industry, attracting loyal followers. In conclusion, editorial content in the awareness stage benefits both consumers and businesses. It informs, engages, and ultimately leads to successful buyer journeys. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, in the awareness stage, everyone benefits from great editorial content. Thanks for watching. I am Evelian with Optimarked Consulting, communication that resonates. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.